Hi everyone, this is Susan Stewart, professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed, and this is spicing up the dinner hour for your family while in quarantine, and it's day 9. So today's idea is to have a superhero night. If you have littles, you can have them wear their capes to dinner, and you can wear a cape too if you don't have any costumes. You can use a blanket with a safety pin or sheet or something like that. If your kids are older, you can just skip that part and just do the second part. So the second part is to ask the question, if you could choose any superpower, what would it be and why? So my kids are grown. They're almost 20 and 22, but we did this when my kids were 6 and 8. So my son was 6 years old, and I had asked him that question, and he said to me, "I would choose to be sticky so I could stick to you all day." I gotta tell you, I've never let him forget that. I still remind him of that. It was one of the most special moments that I had with my son. So you never know what these kiddos are going to say. And for fun, afterwards, if you want to, you could rent the movie Sky High. It's kind of an older movie. I watched it with my kids when they were little, but you might be able to find it on Netflix or somewhere else. So have fun with this one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.